Okay guys, you would have just seen my last video, the review. That's one little patch there. I'm just going to do the whole room and see how long it takes. Yeah, I won't talk much. I forgot to mention this vacuum's really quiet compared to all my other vacuums, but let's go. I'm going to mention I'm holding on to that with one hand and trying to hold the lead at the same time. So what I might do, see if I can set this up for the rest of it. Let's hope that doesn't fall down. So that way I can actually use two hands. I am going to check this, make sure this isn't full again. It is. So this is how. So that's happened once. I've done 3 rooms. This is the 3rd room. Obviously the other ones weren't as dirty. Literally just do this. Peel it all out. Malamute and husky fur gets everywhere. And in case you didn't know, it's winter in Australia at the moment, so they lost all their summer fur, and this is all their summer fur. Pretty thick fur at the back here. And this bit here is where I used to have my chair mat. So it's really compressed. But that is one of the easiest vacuums I've ever used. I'll just show it quickly again on the box. Obviously got to go do the edges and everything, but yeah, not bad for the amount of fur that was in here, because the dogs live in this room. They can get dirty within probably 1 day. Thanks for watching.